Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Human Resource Management, we will be studying the content Challenges in International Human Resource Management. Okay, so let's see what are the different challenges into international human resource management. See, prior to this lecture, we have gone through what is international human resource management. See what happens, okay, after globalization, after 1991, as the world has come closer, okay, as the whole world is treated as a global village, okay, what is the scenario? The scenario reflects that, okay, whenever you are owning a multinational company or whenever you are running a multinational company or likewise whenever you have established your branches across the world, okay, one thing which is inevitable is the diversity of workforce. Okay, now whenever we consider the diversity of workforce, that is, okay, difference into the workforce, that is, okay, if you establish a branch into the international market or into the foreign countries, yes, you do need to hire some of the people from those countries, or whenever you go international at the time, okay, you can't limit the employees, okay, so okay, whenever you are hiring so many people, okay, having so many behavior pattern, okay, who originate from different countries, okay, one thing which is inevitable is their mismanagement. Okay, so whenever we think about international human resource management, what is it? Okay, international human resource management itself means that, okay, management of human resource at international level. Okay, so let's see what are the different challenges which the personnel manager, that is human resource manager, he is supposed to compete so as to effectively practice international human resource management. The first one is compliance with laws and regulation. Okay, compliance with laws and regulation. What does it means? Okay, see, whenever we consider laws and regulations of different countries, yes, you are supposed to, yes, you are supposed to run your business, your organization successfully into different location, different countries, right? Okay, now whenever we consider this difference into the countries, their laws, is it, their practices, their policies, their procedures, they do differ, right? Okay, now whenever you are setting some of the HR policies into such type of countries, okay, you can't carry some of the policies of your home country, or you can't apply as it is the policies of the home country into the foreign country. Okay, why? Because, okay, there is a difference in government, is it, there is a difference in government, and wherever you do have your branch, you are supposed to obey the rules and regulations laid down there. Okay, so whenever we consider, okay, such type of changes into laws and the regulations and the control which is, okay, practiced into the host country or the country in which you have established your additional branch, okay, see, as a human resource personnel, as a human resource manager, yes, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to look to it that each and every law whichever is prevailing into the country in which you have established your branch, okay, those laws, they are never breached by you. Okay, you do follow all the rules, laws laid down there, is it? And yes, you do find, or you do follow the practices prevailing there, is it? Because if you don't follow any of the laws, is it, then surely you will be penalized, punished for it, is it? So this is one of the challenge to have compliance. Compliance means, yes, to follow or to relate your organization with the laws prevailing into those countries. Is it? Okay. Then management changes. Okay. Management changes. Yes, the changes into the policies of top management. Is it? Because as we all know, yes, though we believe into the functions of management, or we are supposed to follow the functions of management, still who is regulating your organization? Yes, final control of your organization resides with the top management of the company, right? Okay, so whenever we consider management, okay, see, from a or a timely, there are changes into the positions of the management. Okay, so as per the changes in the positions of the management and the personnel who are included into the management or top management, yes, the rules and regulations, they do change. Is it? The rules and regulations and the practices, is it, the methods, they do change. Is it? And as per the changes into the top management, yes, the others or the subordinates or the people who are working under the top management, they are supposed to follow them. All right. Okay, so whenever you consider such type of following, yes, okay, this can be quite challenging because, yes, the methods, policies, procedures, they change as per the behavior pattern, as per the thinking, as per their viewpoint. Okay, and such type of timely changes, yes, will definitely affect the human resource manager, and also whenever he is managing the international human resource management. Then leadership development. Okay, see, leading is very important, is it? Because, yes, as a human resource manager, as a manager, you are supposed to initiate. Is it? You are supposed to initiate. You are supposed to start everything. Right? Okay. So, leadership development here, what does it means? Leadership development, as a human resource manager, whenever this person is practicing international human resource management, he is supposed to lead, initiate, practice this function of management. Okay, now whenever he is handling his subordinates or the people, the human resources who are working under him, he is supposed to use different types of skills, is it, as per the different type of people. Even he is required to practice different styles, adopt different practices, use his ability, and also develop himself so as, yes, he can effectively deal with all the types of people or whom he is supposed to handle. Is it? Okay, so leadership development here means developing the skills within himself so as, okay, so as it will be quite easier for him, it will be quite easier for him to lead the organization itself. Okay, so whenever we consider the human resource manager, okay, whenever he is practicing international human resource management, yes, he is required to acquire and get acquainted with different new skills, and develop his present skills in such a way that, okay, he can handle any situation through his tactful dealing method. Then workforce training and development. Yes, training and development is inevitable in this 21st century. Okay, as per the modifications in the market, whenever you do change technology adopted into your organization, one thing which is inevitable is compatibility of your workforce with those technology. Okay, though you have hired some of the experienced people, still, okay, whenever you adopt modern technology into your organization, yes, it is quite impossible for the personnel to adapt with the technology or to handle this technology in an effective manner. Is it so? Here, you are required as a personnel manager, as a human resource manager, you are required to provide the training programs. You are required to provide training programs. You are required to provide additional training and development programs to the subordinates in such a way that, okay, you can successfully train your subordinates and achieve whatsoever goals and targets you have dreamed about related to your organization. Okay, then, so in this way, you're required to train your workforce, okay, diverse workforce. Okay, why I am using the word diverse? Because, okay, um, yes, whenever you go international, yes, you do hire people from different countries, right? Okay, so the different country employees, or the employees who origin from different countries, they do have difference into their skills, yes, into their learning skills. Is it so? As per their type, you do provide them training programs, okay, and modify them, update them in such a way that, okay, it will be quite helpful for you as well as your organization will be benefited. Okay, so workforce training and development, how to provide workforce training and development, is it? This is also one of the challenge before the human resource managers nowadays. Adapting to innovation, yes, innovation means something new, is it? See, if you want to deal with your organization in a successful manner, if you think that you should manage your organization in a successful manner, one thing which you are supposed to do is establish new combinations. Okay, establish new combinations into your organization. Establish new combination into your organization. See, new combination here means, okay, you might be knowing the Schumpeter's innovation theory, right? Likewise, you can adopt new ways, new methods, new product, is it? New ways to handle your subordinates, is it? You can utilize all these things. Okay, you can establish a new combination of all the resources, new combinations of factors of production. Okay, so whenever we think about such type of new combination, okay, one thing which you can do is, yes, this new combination, okay, you need to adapt to this innovations, is it? You yourself should adapt first and then ask your subordinates to follow it, is it? Because if you are not compatible with such type of innovations, yes, what about your followers? Yes, they will also not be able to yes, effectively learn it. So here, the changes which happen into the organization as per the changes into the market, is it? Okay, and the new things which you do adopt into your organization, okay, if you are not flexible with it, surely your followers will not be flexible with it. So first and foremost thing which you are required to do is the flexibility, is it? You are required to be flexible. Okay, if you are flexible, then only your followers will be flexible, and it will be quite easier for you to achieve all those things which you are dreaming about. Okay, so then it is compensation. What is compensation all about? Yes, compensation means the pay which you offer to your personnel, which you offer to your human resources after you get work done from them. Okay, now this compensation or remuneration, yes, it is based on certain aspects, is it? It is based on certain aspects. You are required to consider many of the factors while determining the compensation. Okay, So while determining the compensation or the pay structure itself can be quite challenging, because whenever you operate into different countries, okay, as per the standard of living of the different countries and the cost of living of the different countries, you are required to determine the pay structure. Okay, so whenever we think about the pay structures, difference into the pay structures, okay, you need to consider many of the factors prevailing there, and as per the factors prevailing over into those countries, you are required to determine the pay structure. Is it so? What should be the pay, or what should be the compensation which you will be offering to your employees or your subordinates or the human resources concerned towards your organization? Okay, this is quite challenging. This is one of the challenge before the personnel manager or the human resource manager nowadays. Okay, then, okay, see, at least the compensation or the remuneration which you are offering to your personnel, it should be that adequate that it can meet the cost of living of that people, and it will help those people to maintain the standard of living. Okay, then understanding benefit packages. Okay, see, um, in addition in addition to the compensation, yes, your employees, they do expect something from you. Okay, see, you might be remembering the fringe benefits. Is it? You might be remembering the fringe benefits. Okay, what is fringe benefit? Fringe benefit means, in addition to pay, whatever facilities you do provide it to your employees, it is included in fringe benefits. Okay, then the benefit packages. Okay, in excess to the compensation, you're required to provide additional packages like fringe benefits and all to your employees. Okay, if you think that you should be having moderate level or high level of satisfaction from your employees, yes, you need to offer certain packages. Okay, so like this uh, you can build up some of the packages and can provide it to the human resources who are working with you. Then recruiting talented employees. Okay, yes, you're required to hire talented employees, right? Because if you hire the skilled employees, it will be easier for you to complete the targets and goals in time. Okay, because if you hire the unskilled laborers, okay, most of your time it will be, or you are required to utilize most of your time in training these people itself. Okay, and it might be quite challenging. But okay, most challenging itself is that to get the talented employees. Okay, if your organization is at the initial stage, or if you have newly established the branch into other country, okay, then it will be quite hard for you to obtain or to attract talent towards your organization. Okay, so if you think that if you think that your employees, okay, your subordinates, they should be talented ones, yes, then you are required to hire talented people, and to attract talented people, it might be quite challenging before you. Then retaining talented people. Is it? See, labor turnover, this is one of the major problem nowadays. Is it? Because the laborers or the employees, they are easily attracted towards other companies. Okay, whenever you think about other companies or other countries, or yes, other institutes, and such type of switchover of your employee, yes, it might be quite affecting your country, and it might be quite affecting your company. Is it? Okay, so if you want to retain the talent into your organization, first of all, you might think about increase in remuneration, and second one is that, yes, you can adopt some of the policies through which, okay, or you can provide them with additional benefits. Is it? or how these people will be more satisfied with your job, how you can provide them with the quality of work life, okay, how the standard of living will be maintained. Okay, consider all these factors. Okay, considering all these factors, whenever you do provide it to your employees, surely they will be retained. But okay, retaining this employees in 21st century, okay, where okay, moonlighting or de-jobbing is the best practice. Okay, moonlighting or de-jobbing. Okay, what is moonlighting? Yes, see, many of the time if the employees, they are not satisfied with the remuneration of one company, what they do is, okay, they search for such a job that, okay, they can have double jobbing. Okay, means part time, they can work with another company also. Okay, if they are not satisfied with the remuneration which presently they are getting. Okay, so with like this, okay, you can also provide them the de-jobbing options, such type of things. Okay, so that they will be, yes, they will be satisfied working with you. Is it so? If you think that your employees presently who are working with you, they are talented and they should not switch over to another country, or they should not accept offers from your competitors, surely you need to retain them. And this is one of the challenge in this 21st century before international human resource management. Okay, then workplace diversity. Yes, okay, as per the changes in the location, as per the changes in the location of your organization, yes, you are required to hire people, local people. Is it? Because okay, you can't carry your employees from the home country to the host country. Is it? Because it might be quite, yes, harder for you to carry people from home country to host country. Is it? At the time, what you do? Yes, you do recruit people who are located, who are resident of the same country. Is it? Now, whenever few of the people they are from home country and few of the people they are from the host country, okay, whenever you group them into one group, is it, for completion of the project or proposal, is it, what is inevitable? That is conflict. Okay, if you want to achieve the targets in time, accomplish the goals in time, yes, what you are required to do? You are required to be efficient and effective in managing all these people who are part of your organization. Is it? So workforce diversity itself poses a challenge before HR in today's context. Okay, so if you think that whenever you are going international, at the time everything should happen as per your plan, and all the things should be executed and achieved as per your drafting, surely what you should be doing is, yes, you should look after the challenges and successfully face those challenges, convert those into opportunities and opportunities into strength of your organization to beat any type of competition. So with this we do conclude today's lecture. Thank you.